Hi there. Welcome to this quick guide on how to use Microsoft Designer, a fantastic tool to create stunning visuals effortlessly. Whether you're designing for social media, presentations, or personal projects, Designer has you covered. Let's dive in. First, open Microsoft Designer. You can find it as part of Microsoft 365 or access it through your browser by visiting designer.microsoft.com. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the home screen with options like graphics, design, social media to start creating. There are a few designs already with the prompt. We can use those or edit the prompt as per our requirement. We will now generate an image. Click Create with AI. Select the image option. Input the prompt or the image description in the description field. You can select the image size as per your need. We get three sizes: square, portrait, and wide. Here I am going to select portrait. Go back to description and click on generate. Wait for a few seconds. It will generate 4 images and you can select any as per your requirement. And here we go. We have our beautiful image generated. To download the image, click on the image and select the download button. If you are not satisfied with the image, click on the description and make changes in the image prompt and click on generate. Repeat similar steps until you get the desired result. It's very simple and easy to generate images with Microsoft Designer. And that's it. With Microsoft Designer, creativity is just a few clicks away. Try it out and let your imagination run wild. Thanks for watching and happy designing. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more tips, tutorials, and creative ideas with Microsoft Designer, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Let us know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.